The live cost of Uniswap coin is $1127,718,607. Unicoin cost, with a likely flood, may arrive at a high of $88.99 toward the finish of $2.30. DeFis have appeared with the possibility of no mediators. The area is going standard in the business as financial backers are currently assessing computerized resources in light of its TVL in DeFi, among different variables. Since its origin, the Uni has filled in as a trustless and exceptionally decentralized monetary foundation. Subsequent to demonstrating item market fit for exceptionally decentralized monetary framework, Uniswap, a stage that has flourished freely, is currently especially strategically set up for local area drove development, improvement, and self-maintainability. Uniswap, a conspicuous digital currency from this area, intends to bring more noteworthy decentralization. The convention's local resource Uni is under the dynamic thought of advertisers. Could it be said that you are thinking about putting resources into Uni, however, are questionable about its possibilities? Then, at that point, look no further as we disentangle the conceivable Uniswap cost expectation for 2024-2030 and the years to come. Uni Value Expectation Walk 2024. The Uniswap cost exchanged somewhere in the range of $5,674 and $6,261 for a short period, following which the bulls picked up speed and broke out of the opposition level, where the cost showed an impartial pattern for the following couple of days. As the market unpredictability expanded, the bulls recovered energy and recorded a leap of 11.5% in valuation. In the wake of exchanging a united reach for north of 7 days, the bulls showed a huge leap of more than 72% in no time, featuring a monstrous bullish impact on the lookout. From that point forward, the cost is somewhere in the range of $11,399 and $12,556, is very nearly testing its obstruction level, the result of which is erratic. Uni Value Expectation Walk 2024. The Uniswap cost exchanged somewhere in the range of $5,674 and $6,261 for a short period, following which the bulls picked up speed and broke out of the opposition level, where the cost showed a nonpartisan pattern for the following couple of days. As the market unpredictability expanded, the bulls recovered force and recorded a leap of 11.5% in valuation. In the wake of exchanging a solidified reach for north of 7 days, the bulls showed a monstrous leap of more than 72% in practically no time, featuring an enormous bullish impact on the lookout. From that point forward, the cost is somewhere in the range of $11,399 and $12,556, is very nearly testing its opposition level, the result of which is eccentric. The presentation of UniERC 20 fills this need. It empowers shared local area proprietorship and an energetic, different, and devoted administration framework, which will effectively direct the convention into what's to come. The Uni core supply on ETH has flooded as of late. The advanced resource could stand out for additional advertisers as it gives a simple method for trading coins. The Uniswap cost for 2024 could go from $17.91 to $25.94. Uniswap Value Expectation 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, Uniswap coin would be developing its client base, which would look for impulse as the convention makes liquidity. It could focus on fresher tasks to upgrade the convention to make it more easy to understand. All things considered, toward the finish of 2025, Uniswap cost forecast 2025 could hit its possible high of $31.11. Uni Value Expectation 2026. As per our experts, Unicoin cost expectation for the year 2026 could go between $30.69 to $40.26, and the typical cost of Uniswap could be around $35.85. Uniswap Crypto Value Expectation 2027. As per our experts, the Uniswap cost in 2027 could run somewhere in the range of $37.97 and $49.66, and the typical cost of Uni could be around $43.32. Uni Token Value Expectation 2028. As per our experts, the Uni crypto expectation for the year 2028 could run somewhere in the range of $47.62 and $61.89, and the typical Uniswap coin cost could be around $54.59. Uniswap Coin Value Forecast 2029. As indicated by our examiners, Uniswap's estimate for the year 2029 could run between $55.85 to $73.54, and the typical Unicoin cost could be around $64.70. Uniswap Value Expectation 2030. As per our experts, Uni expectations for the year 2030 could run between $69.61 to $88.99, and the typical Uniswap cost could be around $79.30. We have made a table that incorporates the conceivable cost expectation for a similar token made by other crypto examiners on their individual stages. The objectives referenced above are the typical targets set by the individual firms. Uniswap value expectation. According to S-formed Uniswap cost expectation, explicit coordinated efforts and associations could help the convention in this manner, moving the cost to $25.94 toward the finish of 2024. On the other side, the cost might drop to $17.91 assuming Uni neglects to focus on specific turns of events. All things considered, we can anticipate normal degrees of $21.89 assuming that the advanced resource abstains from responding to showcase feelings. Key examination. Uniswap is a decentralized trade established by Hayden Adams in November 2018. The convention exists as two brilliant agreements facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and a public open-source front-end client. It's a 100% on-chain market producer that permits the trading of ERC20 tokens ETH to ERC20, as well as the other way around. Uniswap owes accomplishment to a huge number of local area individuals have joined its excursion throughout recent years. These early local area individuals will normally act as dependable stewards of Uniswap. With advancements in blockchain, Web3 plans to recover client protection and decision following quite a while of web organizations that have taken advantage of it. Uniswap Labs shares these qualities and is attempting to be a forerunner in this work. Factors influencing the value of Uniswap. Organic market. A spike in market interest can assist with flooding this coin's cost to new highs. Expansion of government-issued types of money. Excessive inflation could drive individuals and legislatures towards digital currencies as another option. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is a notable decentralized exchanging convention based on the Ethereum blockchain. It plans to work with the mechanized exchanging of DeFi tokens and empowers clients to trade any ERC20 token, including the local ETH token. Without brokers, anybody with an Ethereum address can add to the trade's liquidity and procure from it. Uni is the local badge of the Uniswap convention and qualifies its holders for administration freedoms. This implies that Uni holders can decide on changes to the convention. The tokens were sent off in an airdrop to a large number of clients in mid-September 2020. To find out about Ethereum, then here is a finished aid for you to comprehend the universe's second biggest digital currency. Uniswap Authentic Market Opinions 2020-2022. Uniswap entered the crypto market on the 17th of September with an exchanging cost of $2.94. Be that as it may, the cost emphatically flooded to $6.96 2 days after the send-off, as it was recorded on a few trades. Unicoin's cost exchanged somewhere in the range of $3.98 and $5.02 in September. The cost arrived at its obstruction level by mid-November and stayed at $3. Toward the finish of 2020, Uni was exchanging at $4.62. Uniswap advanced toward 2021 with an exchanging cost of $4.97. Uni hit $34.77 to enlist another unequaled high on the 7th of spring. Be that as it may, the cost tumbled